How to fix YouTube comments not loading. To fix your YouTube comments, if it is not loading, what you want to do is first of all, launch the application and try to restart the page itself. Or once you open the video player, all you want to do is cross the video once again and start or replaying the video. And if this also does not work out, all you have to do is force close the YouTube application, open your app drawer, then search for YouTube application icon, long press on it, then access the app info, head to storage and cache option and proceed to clear the cache of the application itself. Once you remove the cache, what this does is it removes the corrupted file within the YouTube application. And also ensure that you have a stable Wi-Fi connection, and if you don't have one, simply switch to mobile data. Then start playing any video. Your comment section should now load. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, please do comment down below.